Nostalgia. When you try to learn a new piece of music, you should look at the key signature and the time signature of the music. Let's look at time signature of Nostalgia. It is 4/4, which is very common, so we call common time. Key signature, 2 flats. That could be B flat major or G minor. Before you listen to music, if you want to try to find out it is major or minor, then I would look for 7th note of a harmonic minor, which is F sharp in this case. I see F sharp over here and here. However, there are so many flats and sharps, you might be confused. Then you look at the chord of first measure and the last measure. They both are G minor. Start with G minor, ends with G minor. Then it's in G minor. Now, once you learn notes in this piece, in order to make this music more musical, you need to add dynamic shapes. Crescendo, decrescendo. Notice this. When you see an ascending line in pitch, you get louder. Descending line in pitch, right here, same, you get softer. Then you can apply that in this little phrase. I did not put crescendo and decrescendo intentionally in this case because when you play more advanced pieces, you won't be able to see crescendo and decrescendo in each phrase. Composers, they don't put dynamic shapes all phrases, in all phrases. So you have to see it, oh, I want to make it more crescendo here and decrescendo. Then this phrase is more active and more fun. And don't forget, at the end, you're going to do ritardando, which means slow down. In this case, I would add decrescendo because it's the end. Okay, now let's look at piano 2. You might have noticed you play the melody in piano 1, piano 2, you play chord. Looks easier than piano 1. However, look at this measure, 5. You have a G here, but you have to hold for 4 beat while you're moving top line E flat to G. Same thing here. G 4 beat, D to G. Okay, notice this, I put 3 and 1 and 2 and 1 fingering. Try to follow this suggested fingerings, then it's easier to play this G with pinky. Same thing, pinky on G. In measure 7, second to the last measure, try to follow these fingerings as well. And then you are able to connect those 2 chord progressions smoothly.